We got the most important part for our day is the national park parking tag. If you don't have that, well, good luck to you. Today there's a massive heat wave in Pigeon Forge and all across the country in states all over. It is right now 97 degrees here in Pigeon Forge in the Smoky Mountains, and it feels like it's 110 degrees. So we are here at the river. We're gonna take a dip in the water and we're gonna enjoy a crisp, cool, mountain, refreshing water here at Greenbrier in the Smoky Mountains. Let's get started.
We're gonna die in the nature. Ah, paranoid.
What do they say in Captain Ron, babe? What does the mom say?
Get out of that water, you don't get it in your mouth, you're gonna get diphtheria.
Or something.
Or something.
Let's go, guys! Let's go swimming. You see? Wow. Come on, baby.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. Ready to go swimming? Let's go. Ready up. Ugh. Ready? Jump. Whoa. Good job. High five.
I need it.
You almost stepped in bear poo.
See?
So glad to be here at Greenbrier with my family. We're going to walk through these beautiful trees and go to our section of our favorite spot here at Greenbrier.
Good luck to you guys on your future endeavors, man.
Okay.
What's your phone number? No.
Good job.
Can I do it again?
So from when we moved down here a few years ago till now, I've come such a long way swimming in the river. Like I have once, when we started swimming here, I wouldn't swim in the water past like 2 o'clock because the sun would vanish and I couldn't see. And now I've like evolved and I am like a river warrior. I don't know, I've gotten to where like I'm not afraid and I'm like so proud of myself for that. Love you, Evie.
Nothing. Here. I'm just giving a rock.
Let me get over here, babe. Yeah, this is the part where
That's cool.
it is so pretty here. The funnest part is trying to walk on the river bottom. So you need to swim across like this, and then you stand back up. Woo! Sandra. Much better spot to play in. Hey, don't be splashing me. Boy, let me see you. You look like a scuba diver. You look like an alien. I think so. You're washing hair. Let me see it. Oh, beautiful. Thank you guys for joining us here at the Greenbrier swimming hole in the Smoky Mountains National Park. It is such a great option to do when it is such a heat wave outside. You will feel refreshed instantly and you will leave refreshed. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Yay! Say, we're off to Mama's house to eat dinner.
Yeah!
We're off to Mama's house to eat some dinner.
That sounds like a good one.